needle in a haystack. Something that is very hard to find. The missing ring felt like a needle in a haystack. Finding that file was like a needle in a haystack. On the ball. Alert, quick, and doing things well. He is always on the ball at work. Stay on the ball during the meeting. Out of the blue. Suddenly and unexpectedly. The news came out of the blue. Out of the blue, it started raining. Pull yourself together. Calm down and regain control of your emotions. Pull yourself together and focus. After crying, he pulled himself together. Zip your lip. Stop talking. Keep quiet. He told his friend to zip his lip. Zip your lip about the surprise. A drop in the ocean. A very small amount compared to what is needed. That donation is just a drop in the ocean. His help felt like a drop in the ocean. Fall on deaf ears. To be ignored or not listened to. My advice fell on deaf ears. Her request fell on deaf ears at work. Down to earth. Practical, realistic, and easy to talk to. He's successful, but still down to earth. I like her down-to-earth attitude. On the same page. Having the same understanding or agreement. The team is finally on the same page. Are we all on the same page about the plan?
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!